Hey, yo, peace. It's your man, El.Judge, coming right back at you with some of that real talk real fast, man. Hey, man, don't forget to hit like, share, and repost, man. It helps your boy out. But, man, peep game, man. What if last night, man, somebody was manipulating the energy of the divine feminine? What if they were behind the scenes doing some kind of ritual or something, or writing out some kind of plan to bring things into existence? And then, right about at that moment, when they said, you know what? The guy is going to win, not you. What if that feeling of that came from the women at that moment, that disappointment feeling coming from not only from the women but coming from the little girls and the women today, the future women and the women today. Imagine that energy. That energy is going up. Oh, like I said, man, it could be somebody behind the scenes developing something or writing something that they're trying to bring into existence. It could have been a ritual. I can't even think about it. When you're dealing with the election, you're dealing with electricity. This is why they need your volt of energy. Election, uh, erection, bringing things up. Resurrection, yeah, bringing things back. What if this was just a play on the divine feminine energy? Because they needed something real strong this time. They didn't just need the vote of the people. They needed a stronger force. Because what is the divine? What is the divine feminine energy? When you go down to the essence of it, do we not call it God? But it is not just God. God is a creation of the divine, of the Holy Mother. Put it that way. The divine feminine energy, God is just a creation of that. Hear me out. Remember, there was complete darkness, the cosmic womb, complete darkness. Everything that exists and everything that ever will exist existed within that darkness. That darkness took the elements that existed within it, brought it together, and brought forth a form of consciousness, which became known as the divine masculine. Now, the Holy Mother has the ability within that darkness, the Holy Mother has the ability to imagine something and then use its emotions and, and use its emotions to communicate with the divine masculine to put things in motion. You don't believe me? What happens during pregnancy or conception? The little fetus is okay. There's a spark of light, then magnetism kicks in, and then those eggs begin to form, and then those eggs, or the positive and the negative, begin to draw from the mother. The calcium, the flesh, the blood begins to draw from the mother, and then it creates itself. This is what you do. The woman does the same thing as the Holy Mother, but things has to be placed in order for things to work. Even if you're a hairstylist, if you're a woman and you're a hairstylist, you look at other people's hair, you say to yourself, I imagine that I could flip this hair this way and then fade it a little bit on the side. So then you imagine a new hairstyle, and then you put your grunt work in. That was your divine feminine that was imagining it. But then your divine masculine is the side that goes out there and actually puts it to work and puts everything in order and bring it into fruition. This is why the man and woman being together is one of the most powerful things we could have as a people. But see, if you're not taking control over your imagination, someone else will place images within your head. And then you yourself, either you're going to put the grunt work in to go get these things out of that were placed into the computer, the cosmic computer, the Holy Mother, the divine feminine, the cosmic womb. Either you're going to put in the grunt work to get it, or you're going to manipulate someone who looks like this, a male, to go out and get it for you. There's no shame in either way. I'm just saying that's just how it works, because you are the possessor of both, but the man is also a possessor of both too. But when we work in order, when the divine feminine plays its part as it naturally should, the divine masculine is you normally strong enough to go out. And if he's strong enough to go out and handle what needs to be done, things are going to get done. This is why we have to work together. When they start talking about division between the two, between the male and the female on this physical plane, they were weakening us as a species. And don't act like they've been playing this whole game the whole time. But I am telling you, behind the scenes, they riding that energy. And that energy is still rocking right now. Right now, male or female, whoever you may be, or however you made it, whatever, you know what I'm saying? This is a good time for you to be writing down plans on something what you want to do with your life, writing down your business plans to go into your imagination right now. Get out of your feelings because ride the emotions off of all these people who feeling sorry for themselves right now and blaming men. Ride that energy and bring forth things that you want into existence right now. You got at least 3 days of this. 3 good, strong days of this. You need to be putting it to work. But anyway, this your man, El.Judge, man. Yeah, you know I'm going to come with some crazy stuff every now and then. I got to do what I got to do, man, because later on I'm coming back at you with some real stuff Wednesday. I'm out.